Hi guys, welcome to the Alpha Crypto channel where I talk about cryptocurrencies, airdrop, and a lot of things in the crypto space, even the latest crypto news and updates. So today I'll be talking about shitcoins and how you can know a shitcoin that is a scam. Now, shitcoins are coins that have little or no value when they are created, and majority of these coins are created by people to make fast money. So the creator of this coin, many of them in the back of their mind, they just want to quickly, make the coin popular. The coin, when it gets popular, people invest money, it pumps, then they will dump the coin. It's also known as a pump and dump scheme. Now, how can you know a shit coin that you can invest in? How can you know a shit coin that the creator has intention of scamming people? Because not all creators even want people to do the pump and dump scheme. Some creators want you to actually lose money. They just scam people, take their money away, and you lose money investing in the coin. A friend of mine fell for that scheme recently, and it was so bad. Now, there are simple ways you can go about this. First, if you come to coinmarketcap.com, coinmarketcap is a platform where you get information of all the latest cryptocurrencies, all cryptocurrencies. You check them on CoinMarketCap, and every information you need to get about these cryptocurrencies, their performance in 24 hours, their market capitalization, their 24 hours volume, their circulating supply, so many informations. Now, if you come to coinmarketcap.com/new /new and you search for this, you're going to see all the new cryptocurrencies or tokens that have been added to the CoinMarket swap list. Excuse me. So, for example, we have this Earth Portion, X1 Finance, Barrel, Dodge Racing, Grape Network, Crypto Cars World, Mars. Majority of these cryptos like this Dodge Racing, ODAO, and Bingo's Network, Lucky Lion, and stuff like this. Majority of these animals coins are actually shit coins. The idea behind the shit coins is for them to pump, and when they pump, they make money, then they dump this shitcoin, because this shitcoin doesn't really have anything they're coming to do in the market. There's no solid project behind it. So for you to now make money from this shitcoin, you need to know how to identify a shitcoin that is a good one from a shitcoin that is a bad one. Now, one thing you need to take cognizance of is that every shitcoin that are on CoinMarketCap listed in new are not actually brand new. Majority of these coins have been existing, but they have been on smaller platforms. It's just that they've just been recently listed on CoinMarketCap. So for you to find out the latest shit coins, and how you can identify the ones that are scam from the ones that are not scam, you need to go to this website. And the name of this website is poolcoin.app. poolcoin.app. Now, if you click on this poolcoin.app, poolcoin.app is a platform where people update shitcoin immediately. So here you can check a lot of shitcoins and check them. Like, you can even get access to the new shitcoins as they unfold, or like when you are waiting for these shitcoins to be listed on CoinMarketCap, where some people must have invested in it. And you come to poolcoin.app, what you're going to do for me is that you're going to click on tools. If you click on these tools, if you scroll down, you're going to see option of Telegram price bots, multi-chart, trending, in bracket most visited tokens. So these are tokens that people visit a lot. Sniper boot watcher, ape, in bracket new token scanner. Then we have toilet, that's the farm it, and we have rock check. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on rock check. Rock check is a way for you to find out if a project is a scam or not. Now, on this rock check, if there's a shit coin that you have in mind, you can actually take the name of that coin and you can do the rock check and know if that coin is worth investing on or not. So what we are going to do is we're going to come back to CoinMarketCap. Let's say I saw a coin on CoinMarketCap, Dodge GF. This is a random coin. I don't know this coin before, but for the sake of this tutorial, let's just take the Dodge GF. So there are a lot of Dodge coin now. This is Dodge GF, a lot of Dodge GF as well. But let's click on this. If we click on this first one, we are going to get every information we need on poolcoin.com about this project. Now, I've entered the token name .gf, and if nothing comes out of this, that means this token is not a trusted token. Look at it. So I've clicked on it. Let's see. Go. .gf checking. Okay, now this is the token. This is created 10/1/2021. This month, like 1st of October 2021, is created today, and this is the receiver, the people that have sent the coin and wherever they have sent it to. But this is not where we're going to. We'll go to the top holders. From these top holders, there's some information we need to check here. Now we need to check the wallet addresses and people that are holding this coin, the quantity they are holding. Now if you can look at this place carefully, you can see that this coin is the major quantity of this coin is held by 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people are holding the highest percent of this coin, and the remaining quantity are held in smaller quantity. This is just 1006, 1006, 1006. That means you can see that this coin is this particular quantity is distributed to these different wallets. And let's check. This quantity that have been distributed to these different wallets are distributed by the same person. This is a sign to show you that this coin is not a good project to invest in. Maybe not now, and most likely for now it might be a scam coin because it is not having a lot of market capitalization. It doesn't have a lot of holders, and it is very, very new. There is nothing to back the coin up. Now if you click on the BSC scan, for people that don't know what I clicked on, from this top where I click on BSC scan, then you can check this coin and do more research. So look at the price of this coin. Currently the price of this coin is $0.00. Listen, the fully diluted market cap, the market capitalization is the total amount of money invested on this coin is $0.00. When you see a coin that has 0.00 market cap, please don't invest in it, run away. One. Number two, this is total supply of the coin. They say the orders are 630 addresses. If the orders of a project is less than 40,000, it's not wise for you to coin. Now, social profile. There is no social profile for this cryptocurrency. So there's no social media page, there's no community. Please, when you don't see social profile as well, don't invest in a project. Now, if you come to orders, right, you check. Look at the people holding. One person is holding 97% of this crypto. This could be majorly, most likely, a scam. I know the coin is just new, but when you see something, please just know that it is not wise to invest in this coin. One person is holding 97%, the second person is holding just 1%, and the remaining 3% are distributed randomly. I don't advise you to invest in a project like this. I know it is new, but for now, this is the reason a project is not solid. Now, if you now check the what else? If you check the information about this coin, there is no update on this. They said click here to update the token and general information. With this information I've given you guys, this is not a wise project to invest in. But if you see a project that is having a market capitalization of over $1 million, you have over 40 something thousand people holding the project, you check the 24 hours transfer, there are a lot of people that have transferred the project, you click on these transfers and you see a lot of people have transferred the project, then you look at this 11 hours 20 minutes ago. That means one person did all these transactions at the same time. It shows that this project people are not engaging on it. Now you check the order of the project, the original order, the number one person is holding maybe less than 50% of the project. Maybe like unlike this one that the owner of this project is holding 97%. If the person is holding 30%, 40%, and the remaining ones are distributed to the other members of the community, then you can know that the person doesn't have all the total power of this project, because if this person takes away liquidity from this project, every other person are going to lose their money. So guys, this is how you identify a shit coin that you should not invest your money in. I don't want to make this video very long. I'm going to do another video. I'll explain it to you where you can actually get new shit coin and how you can actually invest them before they come to bigger exchange platform. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content, you'll be among the first to see it. Bye for now, and make sure I see you in my next video.